Elisan here. Today, I want to make something I've never made before. I've not cooked this before. I've not tried it before. This pattern. Last time I made what was it called? Like one pot tomato stew, 1 point Nigeria tomato stew. And when I was calling it, this comes into my mind. Why don't you do a kind of a way do the okra they cook with water and use it to eat stew? So this is what I'm making today. To me, I don't just want to use only water. This is I have my meat stock here together with meat. I want to take the meat stock so that let me see how it will taste. Actually, I can't imagine using only water, crayfish, and all this stuff. I'm using meat stock. I have tried to scoop a little of the stock. I think I'm not making so much. Just a little for me and my husband. It's okay. I will allow this to cook while I cut my onions. Okra already. I'm adding this here. Done, 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 done. Ooh. Pepper. I'm adding pepper. Little crayfish. I did add Maggie. Why I add Maggie down here? Why I add the seasoning cube, Maggie? Yeah. Making everything together. I don't know if this is ogirope or whatever, but those things that taste so good. That taste so good. Also, it is a sweetie. I'll allow it to cook. I have to boil water for my garlic, for my pound oil. Okay, okra time. Okra time. Okra time. Oh my god. 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 Why is the color like this? Okay, because of the pepper. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Look at this. Look tasty. Because I added crayfish, everything as if I'm cooking stew. It's like soup. Crayfish, ogiriope. Ogiriope. Is ogiriope locust based? I don't know. But the round one. This is what I added. Oh, it's time to bring it down, guys. My soup is done. Done, done. And this is the stew I'm using for it. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Come here. Oh, good. This was when I was cooking. It came in when I was trying to scoop my stock. That was when the meat came in, and look at the master. Yay! This is the main reason. This is the main reason I made this okra. This is the main reason I just brought this out from the fridge. Yeah. Guys, okay, let's go do justice to this. I'll tell you guys the outcome. Bye.